I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you're looking for sympathy, I have none. But what I do have is a particular set of mechanical skills. Skills that can drain the bank account of people like you. You return that remanufactured piece of junk water pump to the parts store right now, and that'll be the end of it. If you choose not to, I will hunt you down, and I will find you, and I will flog you with the serpentine belt. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tim. I'm over here at my repair shop, and I almost bumped my head under this lift. But I got a quick tip for owners of these late model Chevys, GM, automatic transfer case. You know, the new venture, new process jobber here. This new process. Where you got a condition, no four-wheel drive. This customer came in with the code C0374 and the service 4x message, and that has to do with the front drive shaft speed improper. So first thing to look for, if you got an area like here, we got some ice out front. Went ahead and had my wife stick it in 4x, gun the vehicle, and spin the tires. And the rear tires spun and the front didn't. And then as you're laying underneath, well, not all the way underneath the vehicle, but where you can get a view of the front drive shaft without getting killed, as those tires are spinning, if the front drive shaft does not spin, and it is, you know, engaged in 4x, your light's in the 4x mode, then come down here and pull the transfer case drain plug and take a look. And what you're looking for there is any signs of like clutch material coming loose in the T-case. And in this case, it did not look good. This was what we found, just black goo. A lot of times you can get some metallic content coming out of there. That's a pretty good, sure sign of what's inside, and it's not good. Not good for anyone. You can also positively engage the T-case. You can pull that encoder out and just kind of put it in four-wheel drive with the, you know, with channel locks and hold it into 4x, and then see if you can rotate that front shaft by hand. But in this case, that's not. It's not going to be connected. The T-case is fried. Those clutches are all laying in the bottom of the fluid. It's not good. You want to service these things every 30,000 miles. You know, use the appropriate fluid, service them regularly, and you know, they will probably get you 80,000 miles down the road before they blow up. So anyway, I hope this tip was helpful. Gives you some tips if you got a code like that in a condition where you're not experiencing four-wheel drive. Of course, it's not an encoder motor code, C0327. You may have a bad encoder motor in that case. And then, you know, quite a few other possibilities for other things related to no 4x on these vehicles, but here's one that might help. All right, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time. Take care.